Hello, I'm Melody with NextHome Navigator. We are the GPS coordinates to your next home. If this is your first time here, welcome. This is where you'll find real estate resources to help you navigate your real estate journey. We understand that selling a home is one of the most significant financial decisions you will ever make, and we're honored to be part of that process. At NextHome Navigator, we are committed to empowering our agents to provide exceptional customer service that goes above and beyond what's expected. Our customized home selling services utilize proven strategies that help you get your home sold quickly and for more money than the average agent or even selling on your own. We take the guesswork out of pricing using our proprietary absorption rate analysis, which allows you to choose your price. Our mission is simple: to fiercely protect the wealth, equity, and interest of our clients, to serve our clients and their families and earn the right to be their real estate resource for life. Contact us when you're ready to embark on your home selling journey.